Hakabede bag jing tambor bat ka jing sha Byrngem siat umumnya kali Superintendent ke Pulit ke District East Khasi Hills ula pentir bau brio budeng keti lawan ni manakala kuit trek ula bayar arajar arpun rio hakamat u investigation officer banai ke jing trelang bagi Pulit bagi ne ke jing wan ju ke hadian bagi Pulit kelapa akan notis kat kum ke kendon lai pesan lai jaga BNSS Superintendent ke Pulit ula pensyai bagi ne ke jing ne akan dai ke balapan map bagi ne ke kam kabala banca aset patok berdolai senam ula benrap bala shim ya kene ka muka duma kum ka bakia bagi jing tokit kerang ya caprang ban pengat yu hagi kendon beper walau dan ke license hendai Superintendent ki Pulit ulong bah kasi baja umshyrpi dan rengkat bagi license kum tagi Pulit kinchim kya kane bat gi bor penyat district ban penduk no ke license Suloi jong nu brio
regarding that well, I would like to say that this is an offence which is below 3 years, and it is not an offence like this case where the offence is beyond 7 years, which merits arrest. That is a case which is below 3 years. We have taken the first option, which has been mandated by the court to issue a notice under section 35(3) BNSS, and the accused has appeared yesterday before the IO and is cooperating with the investigation, and investigation is still on. We will take further steps. He has a licensed weapon which we shall take up with the district magistrate for cancellation of the license. We will also charge sheet the case early.
But the licensed weapon, he can use it?
He can use it, but yes, on that day the licensed weapon was not there as per his statement, but we will take up with the district magistrate for cancellation of the license.
So he was threatening that he will shoot?
That was the threat, yes.
The person is a political party in his friends.
About his